Morning pigeon family. This is Ham's Loft. It's 7:50 exactly, Sunday morning. This is my fourth toss, 2.5 miles. I have exactly 18 birds left in the flying team. Exactly 18. Nobody's left in there. My dog checks are still in there. It's a lake not too far from my house. Well, 2.5 miles obviously. It's a small lake right there. This is sunrise, I guess you can see there. Trying to make it so that when they fly I can keep them in view. I want to appreciate all the people who gave me some comments. Stratus, Hawaiian Brian, Aloha Pigeons. Hey, everybody. There's some feral pigeons out here. You know, they always near the lake, near a bridge. I'm hoping they ain't got nothing to do with it. I hope my birds just stay on point and do what they're supposed to do. All right, got me a little table, stable, pointing east, straight in front of me. West to the right, and of course, let's see what we do here. I'm gonna put you on pause because I'm gonna let them sit for about 5 minutes before I release them. All right, I'm gonna tell everybody I cut the amount of feed that I gave them yesterday. So, and I know that everybody said that they were still flying when they got over the house instead of coming straight down, so they wasn't tired. I hope they stay in shape. But you're right, they stayed up in the air, usually sometime between 20 more. The first time they used to stay up, they stayed up almost 30-45 minutes after they got home, still flying. Not all of them, but some of them. All right, let's see what happens. All right, still trying. Hope I got them. Last time I didn't get them at all. All right, fellas, I still see them a little bit. I'm gonna try to pull and throw the phone. I'm gonna try to throw the phone on pause, but I don't think I'm getting them no more. I can't find them a damn self. All right, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment. I'm gonna put you on pause. It might cut off, might not. All right, peace. All right, I'm in my backyard. I'm gonna use the pause button to see if I'm able to catch them all this on the same video, considering that I don't really know how to edit. So let's just keep it real. I got my little, these are my 3 flights I had outside. Cause the little one right there was real small, and I've been having them outside for a while. You can see the little one ain't all that little no more. These are flights. That little one right there, that hen right there. I don't know if that one is a cock or a hen, but the cock is in the back there. So I'm gonna take them out of this thing, out of this pen, this little big dog crate, and clean it up, straighten it out, move everything out of it, and still saving up to buy me another little shed so I can break up this little crew right here. Might as well give you an update on this little crew while we seeing if the birds come in. All right, this is what I got going on in here. This is gonna be that grizzle, that homer right there. And then if you look outside in the pen, you got that big red right there, homer. Some silver. And almost everything else in here I thought was homing pigeons when I bought them. But a couple of people commented that they might be a cross. They might be a mix and not really, because I know they're not the size of my racing birds. They definitely look different compared to the size of the racing birds, so they could be they have to be maybe a mix, but I wasn't gonna use them for racing anyway. They just gonna be used for just flying with the flights. And I wanted to clean this up, but I ain't got a chance to clean it up today. Alright, so most of them, like I said, are flights up there. The ones in the outside pen are the homers. Everybody has a perch that they go on at night, and then those 3 up there, them homers right there. That's a silver blue bar, another blue bar. But if anybody's seen when I did when I built my thing, built my pen sections, I built it so that if I got the door open, they can't fly out. Alright. Oh, that's my little breeding section back there. We'll do them at a different time. Just gonna go out, hit the pause button and see. I need another shed anyway so I can put half of my stuff. Cause this thing I got right here is for just some of my cleaning supplies. Yeah, everybody knows the routine. I ain't gotta tell y'all. Yep. I'm gonna see what the little guys are up to. See that one right there. I don't know if it's really a home or not. Oh, he's back out. All right, hold on, fellas. Oh, they just came over the house. Ain't that some shit? I don't even know what time it is. They came from the direction they're supposed to, from the west. They flew right over the house. So that means they should be coming back around here. Damn, that was quick. Damn quick. So quick I didn't even know what time it is. I'll put it at the bottom of the video when I type it in, which I'll just take off some time as soon as I see them again. Oh, there we go. Excuse me, excuse the sun. I'm trying to see if I can get them in the camera. And like everybody said, if they keep flying all that, I see my silver already, so the little crew looking good. All right, fellas, I know they ain't gonna come straight down. It seems like they're not anyway. All right, I'm gonna end this video. It's been kind of long. I'll count them up as soon as I get a chance, and put it at the bottom. Hey, I always want to do this in the description below, which I really don't know where it said anyway, but I just wanted to do that. All right, peace. Shout out to all the flyers. All right, peace.